Hey there, PC gamers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome to the ultimate guide on keeping your gaming rig cool and efficient. Ever felt your rig heating up like a furnace during an intense gaming session? It's a common issue that can affect performance and longevity. That's where water cooling swoops in like a refreshing splash. Imagine a system that not only cools your components, but also adds a visual flair to your setup. It's the ultimate solution for keeping your components cool, even when you're pushing them to the max. No more thermal throttling or overheating worries. Traditional air cooling relies on fans to dissipate heat. While effective, it can be noisy and less efficient under heavy loads. Water cooling, however, utilizes the power of liquid to transfer heat away from your precious CPU and GPU. This method is far more efficient and quieter. It's like having a miniature plumbing system inside your PC, but instead of regular water, we use special coolants designed for optimal thermal performance. This superior cooling method offers a bunch of advantages, from quieter operation to boosted performance. Plus, it looks incredibly cool with customizable RGB lighting. So, if you're ready to unlock the full potential of your gaming rig, let's dive into the world of water cooling. Stay tuned as we explore the components, setup, and maintenance tips to keep your system running smoothly. Now, let's break down the heart of a water-cooled PC, the cooling loop. This intricate system is what keeps your high-performance machine running cool and efficiently. Think of it as a closed circuit where the coolant continuously circulates. This closed-loop system ensures that the heat generated by your components is effectively managed. First up, we have the water block. This crucial component is designed to make direct contact with your CPU or GPU. This bad boy directly contacts your CPU or GPU, absorbing the heat they generate. The water block is typically made of materials like copper or aluminum for optimal heat transfer. Next, the pump acts as the heart of the system, pushing the heated coolant through the loop. Without a reliable pump, the coolant wouldn't circulate, and the system would fail to cool effectively. The hot coolant then travels to the radiator, a component with a large surface area designed to dissipate heat. The radiator is often mounted at the front, top, or rear of the PC case. Fans attached to the radiator help expel the heat into the surrounding environment. These fans are crucial for maintaining airflow and ensuring the radiator can do its job efficiently. The cooled coolant then flows back into the loop, usually passing through a reservoir first. The reservoir helps in removing air bubbles and stabilizing the coolant flow. This reservoir not only stores the coolant, but also provides a convenient spot to fill and maintain the loop. It's an essential part of the system for easy maintenance and monitoring. Connecting all these components is the tubing, which comes in various materials and sizes. The tubing ensures that the coolant flows smoothly between each part of the cooling loop, maintaining a consistent temperature throughout the system. Water cooling versus air cooling for your CPU and GPU. Let's get started. First up, efficiency. Water cooling systems are the champs here. Water has a higher heat capacity than air, meaning it can absorb and transfer more heat away from your components. This keeps your CPU and GPU running cooler even under heavy loads. Next, let's talk noise levels. If you hate the constant hum of fans, water cooling might be your best friend. Since water transfers heat more effectively, the fans in water cooling systems run at lower speeds, making them quieter. Peaceful gaming, anyone? Now for the overclockers out there. Water cooling systems allow for more aggressive overclocking. They can handle the extra heat output better than air coolers, giving you that performance boost you crave. Onto aesthetics. Custom water cooling loops can transform your PC into a work of art. With colorful coolant and sleek tubing, your rig will not only perform well, but also look amazing. Space and clearance can also be a game changer. Water cooling can free up space inside your case, especially in small form factor builds. The bulk of the cooling hardware can be mounted away from the main components, giving you more room to work with. Lastly, effective cooling helps prevent thermal throttling. This means your CPU and GPU can maintain optimal performance without reducing speed to avoid overheating. But remember, water cooling systems can be more expensive, complex to install, and require more maintenance compared to air cooling solutions. So, which cooling method will you choose for your next build? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for today's showdown. Thanks for watching, and happy building!